Hey guys, welcome back to Kitchen Yum! I'm Valerie. I'm Victoria. And today we'll be making fruit roll-up! If you don't know what fruit roll-up is, it's like candy. And it's really good. But this was a healthy version. All you need is strawberries and honey. So first you want to take off the stems of the strawberry. We'll be using these gloves because you don't want boo-boos when you're getting. And our knives are not that sharp, but still, you have to be careful with these knives. Just putting our gloves on. And now we take our knife, and you gotta be careful to not hurt anyone and don't hurt yourself. So let's get started. So first you just pick a strawberry and then cut off the stem. All you want to do is try to get close, but not too close. Just slice it. And I want to slice it in half. And there you go. So you just want to keep on doing it until you cut it all your strawberries that you want. So we have lots of strawberries, but I think I'm gonna spare one for my mouth. Me too. They're sweet. So after you cut all your strawberries, you want to put them in 1 cup and then add them 3 times. That equals 3 cups of strawberry. So, and you want it to be a little over the top. And it's a lot of strawberries. And when you work with knives, make sure you have parent supervision. This should be good. And then take the lid off the blender. Then put your strawberries in the blender. And this is really fun and easy, so you should probably try this out. And you only need 2 ingredients. I think this is good. And we used to bring this to school and we loved it. And 1 more scoop. I'm not sure if we have enough. But let's just wait and see. I hope we do. Right? We don't. Okay. After we do, but just not really over the top, but that's okay. So next, you want to put in your honey. So before you put in your honey, here's the tip. You dip a little oil onto a brush and then just brush it on. Okay, so I got my oil on my spoon. Now Riley's gonna pour in the honey. Add 1 tablespoon of honey and mix it in the blender first. And if it's not sweet enough, you could add another spoon. Okay. And add it in the blender. I don't want to spill this. Whoa, that's so satisfying.
No.
I'm not gonna waste the honey. So we're using a brush to take off all the honey.
It's working really well. It's just cleaning out the spoon.
And I'm just using it because I also want to brush it on the strawberries. I don't know why, but I just feel like I want to brush it. And then you should be done with the honey. And now you want to put on the lid very well.
Yes.
Victoria, you may do the honor. And make sure your parents make sure the strawberries.
Nobody wants my strawberries.
So now you gotta turn on the blender.
I will do it.
So now we're gonna clear out the surface because we need to use our silicone mat to make the fruit.
Silicone mat.
So we blended it all and we got our surface. And you need a dehydrator for this part.
If you don't, you could use an oven, but it has to do overnight for 12 hours.
And if you use this one, it has a fruit roll-up setting and it should be orange. And you would just have to leave it for 3 to 4 hours. Now you want to take the mixture and pour it onto silicone mats. And it might be hard taking off the lid. It smells like strawberries.
Yeah, it does. I hope we don't make a mess.
Here we go. I don't think we have enough mixture
So we're gonna just transfer this.
somehow.
I hope we can, without making a mess.
We had to switch spots because Victoria wants to taste the mixture. And it actually tastes really good. Whoa, this one looks thick.
Yeah, actually, it's good. It also depends how sweet your strawberries are. My strawberries are sweet.
It's just very good. And you should really try this at home. It's simple and I think
Delicious.
guys will also have lots of fun making it.
You only need 2 ingredients.
Oh, and it's so delicious. When my mom first made it, I didn't know there was only 2 ingredients. So that's really cool. So we put the mixture on the silicone mat and then we put it onto the tray. And now I need to put this onto the dehydrator. So we have our mixture right here. And I have to come here because the dehydrator is facing the other way. So let's put this in. Now I gotta put on like the door. I don't know what to call it, but it's like a door. Here it says fruit rolls, and it's the same thing as fruit roll-ups. And it also says 135 Fahrenheit and 57 Celsius. You need to turn it to that number. And make sure it's the side with the white dot.
We'll see you guys in 3 to 4 hours.
Bye!
We are back. It has been 4 hours.
Yeah. It's been a long time since we put this thing in. So let's turn it off. And let's take it out.
It's a little hot.
And while we were like doing other things, we could like smell it, and it smelled so good.
Ah!
Ooh, not bad.
There's a few cracks here and there, but it's pretty good. So let's peel it. Oh, this is the satisfying
Oh
part.
my god.
Oh, it smells so good.
Oh my god, it's
So
so satisfying. Just look at it. It's like coming off so easily.
Oh. This is what you get from 2 ingredients? That's pretty good.
And then put it on here. I think I should do the sticky side. We put it on our parchment paper and we cut it to size. Now you want to cut it into strips. And then we're going to have another fun part after. So we're done cutting them, and now we're gonna roll them. The fun part. So first you want to just take your end and just roll it until you're done all your strips. Some of them are thin and thick, but that's all right with me. And there you go.
I'm not done rolling.
This looks delicious. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, like, leave a comment. Bye! We made good fruit roll-up. You already finished one? Wow, you love these, I guess. Our second roll.